The American Legal Publishing Code Library allows users to annotate, bookmark, download, share, and print codes. You can also set notifications to alert you to changes in a section of code. I'm going to show you how to use these options in the code library. A free user account is required to take full advantage of some of the code options. Annotate, bookmark, and notification options function best when the user is logged into their account. To learn more about creating a user account, please refer to our My Account Creation tutorial. I am going to use the Code of Ordinances for King Cove, Alaska as my tutorial example. If you want to follow along, I will be looking at Chapter 1.05, General Provisions. On the top right of the screen, above where the code text is displayed, is a blue bar with several icons. These icons represent options for annotating, notifications, sharing, downloading, bookmarking, and printing portions of codes. These options are available for the entire document. Another set of similar icons is displayed next to each section of text. These icons provide a shortcut to the same options and apply them to specific sections of the code so that you do not have to scroll up. Annotate. Let us say I'm reading the general provisions in the King Cove Municipal Code, and I want to take notes on the section of the code that refers to the city seal. To annotate this code, I click the Annotate icon at the top. The Code Options window will ask me to log into my account. I log into my account, and once I'm logged in, the Annotate icon will appear next to each portion of the code. If I want to notate section 1.05.020, which describes the city seal, I click on the Annotate icon next to the title or text I want to notate. To save my note, I click the Save button. The note will be timestamped and saved. The Annotate icon becomes highlighted to indicate a note is present. If I want to review this note, I look for the highlighted icon, click, and open my note. Annotations are only viewable to the user. Others will not see your notes. I can find my notes more easily in the future by bookmarking this section of code. Bookmarks. Saving bookmarks also requires logging into my account. To bookmark a section of code, I click the bookmark icon on the blue bar at the top of the page, then select the code section I want to bookmark from the menu. Or I can click on the bookmark icon next to the section of code I want to bookmark. To save the bookmark, I name it, then click Save. My bookmarks are stored in my account. The Code Options window will also display a direct link to the code section, which I can share with others regardless of if I'm logged into my account or not. I can access my bookmarks from the My Account drop-down menu under the Bookmarks category, or I can view and manage my bookmarks by clicking on My Account under the My Account drop-down. This will take me to a page which lets me manage my account. Bookmarks will be displayed under the Bookmarks tab. I can edit bookmark names or delete bookmarks from the bookmark page. Notifications. You must have an account to use the notifications feature. Accounts are free to create. To be notified of updates to a code, log into your account and click the notification bell on the blue bar at the top of the page to follow the code. You will receive an email each time an update to the code is made. You can edit your notifications in My Account. You can follow specific parts of a given code too. Click next to the level of code you want to follow to set notifications to follow the overview page, entire code, a chapter, or a specific section of the code. Download. You can download codes or portion of codes in a variety of file formats. You do not have to be logged in to download code files. To download a section of code, click on the Download button. Select the code sections you want to download and pick your file format. Code can be downloaded in PDF, Word, RTF, text, HTML, EPUB, and Mobi e-reader formats. Sharing. You can also share the code without an account. Click the Share icon on the blue bar at the top of the page to share the code. Click on the Share icon next to the code section to share a specific section of the code. The Code Options window will display a link. You can copy this link and share it with others. Printing. The print option is also easy to use. Click the print icon on the blue bar to select and print the entire code, or click the print icon next to a specific section of code to select and print that section. You can edit your print selection by toggling the checkboxes in the print selection window. If you need technical assistance, please call us at 800-445-5588 or email us at techsupport@amlegal.com. Thank you.